In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a suggested trolley setup for your waxing services. Now, first of all, particularly if you are part of a team and you're within a salon or a spa, I do highly recommend a little laminated printout, particularly if you've got a picture there as well, so that if you are in shared space, you guys know how to set up the trolley and what needs to be on there for the next person. So first of all, we're going to start with our heaters, and here we've got our double heater, which you can choose to have your Outback Organics tin of strip wax and peelable wax. If you are particularly busy with peelable wax, you may actually want to stock both of those with peelable to keep you going throughout the day. And then we've got our roller cartridge system here for your strip wax. And then we're going to bring the products on. So we've got the Outback Organics pre and post, where there's our gel cleanser and botanical oil, which are the most used ones. And then we've got our 4 options for post care, which is post wax lotion, bush balm, aloe gel, and post wax spray. And then we're going to put a easy to reach set of spatulas. So I've got my restock spatulas to go on. They can just sit on the bottom shelf just to restock those during the day as we need them. And in the middle, just for easy reach, we've got our nitrile gloves and our tissues. And then we've got our strips, wax strips, cotton discs. Barbicide can go on the top. Just going to push back that roller heater. So we've got our barbicide with our tweezers and scissors. They can go in the barbicide when we start working. And then just on the bottom, I'm going to have my post-care cards to give to clients once we've finished their waxing service, just to go over all their do's and don'ts after a wax. Individual intimate wipes for our intimate wax services. And then I'm just going to keep the card for the trolley set up close by.